Welcome back, curious minds. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey as we delve into the captivating world of thunder and lightning myths. Join me as we separate fact from fiction and uncover the science behind these awe-inspiring phenomena. Throughout history, thunder and lightning have sparked numerous myths and legends, woven into the fabric of different cultures worldwide. Let's explore some of the most captivating stories and discover the truth behind them. Myth number 1. Thunder is the sound of angry gods clashing in the sky. Ancient civilizations believed that thunder was the result of divine beings engaging in celestial battles. But what does science have to say about this? Thunder is actually caused by the rapid expansion and contraction of air surrounding a lightning bolt. When lightning travels through the atmosphere, it heats the air to incredibly high temperatures, creating a shockwave that we perceive as thunder. Myth number 2. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. This popular saying has been passed down through generations. But is it true? In reality, lightning does strike the same place multiple times. Especially tall structures or objects that offer a direct path of least resistance to the ground. Famous landmarks like the Empire State Building or the Eiffel Tower are often struck multiple times during storms. Myth number 3. Counting the seconds between thunder and lightning reveals the distance. We've all heard the idea that counting the seconds between a lightning flash and the following thunderclap gives an estimate of how far away the storm is. But is this accurate? The principle behind this myth is based on the speed of sound, which travels approximately 1 kilometer in about 3 seconds. By counting the seconds, we can estimate the storm's distance. However, factors like atmospheric conditions and echo delay can affect the accuracy of this method. Now, let's delve into more obscure myths and legends from different cultures, such as the Norse god Thor and his mighty hammer, Mjolnir, or the Greek god Zeus and his thunderbolts. These tales offer unique insights into the ancient interpretation of thunder and lightning. Myth: lightning possessed mystical powers. In certain myths, lightning was believed to possess magical and transformative properties. It was thought that being struck by lightning could grant special abilities, such as enhanced strength, heightened intuition, or the gift of prophecy. Exploring these myths allows us to appreciate the rich cultural heritage and the imaginative ways humans have tried to make sense of thunder and lightning. While science unravels the mysteries behind these phenomena, the stories and legends continue to captivate our imaginations. What is the myth amazes you the most? Comment below. Like and subscribe the video for more content like this. Thanks for watching.